Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm unboxing another thing. So basically before we start the video, I'm unboxing BTS's new album, Map of the Soul Persona. And basically since I got it off of Amazon, it's going to be a random album. I don't know which one it is, but you can definitely see like the pink tint on the outside, which is cool. This was $20.99. If you hear the extra noise, my setup is bad this time, so with my nice blue scissors, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm so excited. I don't know what version I'm getting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is version 3. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot what version 3 pictures look like. Hold on, let me take a few pictures. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I stopped obsessing for a few seconds, and now I'm gonna open up without trying to, like, hurt myself. Or the album.
It's just BTS in the back.
Sorry for the extra noise. My brothers are with me right now because they wanted to see it. Oh, by the way, here's a gold sticker to make it official. That makes it official. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, it's so precious. It's so precious. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm kind of scared to open it up, so let's just. Oh, it's the poster. Okay. I'm not gonna look at that yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, no. So it's kind of like a book. This isn't like the other one. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh. What in the world is going on? Anyways. Okay. Ready? I'm trying to find the photo card. Wait, no. This is just my points. Okay. I found the bookmark. I found it. I found the film. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. What in the world? Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see this. I got the film. Some people didn't get it. Some people did because I don't know if it was limited edition. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the notes. Very pretty. Sorry, I'm trying to make it focus. Okay, so now to find the photo card. I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. Yankee.
She's dancing right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so precious. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are gonna put that back in, and I'm just gonna try and get all the cards and stuff out. Oh my.
I still can't believe. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. So let's do that. His signature. Oh my gosh. Indeed. I am so happy. I need to read this later, but I'm not going to read it out. So let's just set that to the side. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Okay. So page 1, I'm just going to through it. This is such an amazing album. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. Oh my gosh. I can't stop saying, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Okay, so overall, before I start crying, this was amazing. Go get it. It's only $20. Oh my gosh. Yes, and I might even buy other versions from my local Walmart or Target because this was just so impressive, and I'm so impressed with what they've done for this comeback. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.